Hi everyone, welcome to week 3. I'm glad to see you all here. I wanted to just walk you through what you're going to be doing this week. This week it's just a little bit different because we'll not be having VC on Friday in person. We'll be making a video for you to watch instead, but because of conferences, there's no synchronous class this week. All right, so I'm on our home page. I'm going to go into modules. Let's take a look at what I have for you for week 3. All right, week 3. One thing that I want to point out to you is if you are eligible to be doing the Path to Proficiency module, just take note that that is due next Monday, November 9th. So make sure that you're getting on top of that and getting through those. All right, for this week, let's start with the pacing guide and just take a look at what I have for you. All right, so Tuesday, the day that you'll be watching this, make sure to preview Module 3, watch the video I'm talking to you on right now, so well done. Start the optional electoral college assignment. This is something you'll want to work on through the week, and it is extra credit. So I highly recommend it. But this week is all about the election. We want you to understand what it takes to know how to vote, what goes on in an election, what steps lead up to the final election. So one of those steps is to understand the Electoral College and what they're showing you on TV. You may have seen this before, you may not have, and this is new to you, but this is a neat activity you can do to try to understand that better. Right, complete and submit the choosing the candidate assignment and the campaign assignment. Continue working on your Electoral College assignment, the one we just talked about, the extra credit. Complete and submit the election day assignment. Continue working on your map. Friday, this is what I was just mentioning, no VC on the 6th for any of your classes. So use that time to watch the video that I'll post for you and complete the political cartoon discussion following those directions and continue working on your map. Complete and submit any remaining missing assignments. That's your Monday assignment. And finally, complete and submit your Electoral College assignment. This is something that may be changing throughout the week, so you probably won't want to submit it until the very end of the week, so you can have it all corrected by then. And just to note again that the pathway module is due on Monday. Okay, let's take a look at the step-by-step, the assignment checklist. Just remember that this is here. You can print it out and check it off as you go through each of these items. It'll help you out, make it a little more clear. Okay, all right. After that, let's just look at the assignments a little bit. They're all in the same format. So I'll just show you this one and show you what it looks like. Okay, all right, so you'll see it's a slideshow like you're used to at this point. Anytime you see one of these little speaker icons, you can click on that and have the instructions or the text read to you. Once you've done that, instructions are here. Read the information on the slides, then use the information to answer the questions below. So I'm not going to show you those questions yet. You can go in and look at those yourself, but let's take a look at how this is set up. So when you click the little arrow in the slides, you'll see some short readings that you're going to do. So you'll learn about the election. And again, you can click the little icon and get that read to you for each piece. You'll click through, read through all of these, more speaker icons. Okay. And when you're done reading that, then you'll go through and take the quiz. Also in the quiz, remember that you can have the questions and answers read to you and answer options read to you. So you can do that if you like, and then make sure to make your choices on there. And at the very bottom, you'll need to submit your quiz. Okay, all right, let's go back to the module. So there are 3 assignments that look pretty similar to that. The first one is choosing the candidates. The next is the campaign, and the last is the electoral college. This one has a short video embedded within it, so that's a really helpful video. Then let's take a look at the electoral map extra credit. And here we go. It'll tell you a little bit about the electoral college. Okay, then you have two options here. There's a digital version. You just click on this link. It'll take you to a website, and you can click through those. There's a tutorial video to show you how to use that digital map, and a link to the website that'll give you the information that you need to fill that map in. If you don't want to do it that way and you'd rather do this on paper and just old-fashioned coloring things in, that's fine too. But you do need to have printer access. So you have to be able to print something out. So you'll print out the paper version, and then you'll color things in with blue or red, still based on the same website that's above. When you are finished with your map, and remember you might need to be modifying that all week, so this is something you won't want to turn in until the last day. But you'll take a photo of your map, either a screenshot if you're doing it on the computer. If you're doing the paper version, you'll just want to take a little picture of it and submit that here. Okay, and the last assignment that I want to show you is a discussion. These are kind of fun because you get to take a look at some political cartoons, or it's just one political cartoon in this one. There are some others in one of the other slideshows. Take a close look at the cartoon, then follow the directions carefully and answer these questions. What do you think the artist is trying to illustrate? And what would you like to see? So you'll make your answer and then make sure to reply to 2 other posts. And as always, remember that statements like I agree or I don't agree with you aren't good for starting up a conversation. We want to give input that will keep a conversation going. So things that you can do are ask a question about what somebody else has posted, politely express opposition, meaning I don't agree, but I'm going to say so politely. Relating the post to something that you've experienced or researched, and explaining how the post made you understand a different perspective than you had before. Those are all good options. Remember to keep in mind that you have to be polite and constructive, but we also want to keep the conversation going. All right, let's go back to that module. Just one more reminder, guys, that we do not have VC class on Friday morning. You'll still be watching a video of our class, but it won't be synchronous. We won't be doing it at the same time together. Okay, so that is your assignments for this week. Make sure to contact me if you have any questions. Have a good week, guys.